If you hate checking bags when you travel, this 40-liter backpack might replace your suitcase. First of all, it has this Velcro on it right here, so you can get any patch you want. You don't have to use this one that comes with it. Go ahead and check and see what you want to put on there to kind of personalize it to yourself. This backpack is designed to work as a carry-on bag, making it a great option for weekend travel or just short trips. Actually, my daughter-in-law can pack for like 7 days in a carry-on, so she could use this for days. It has a 40-liter capacity, which gives you plenty of space for shoes, clothing, and all your travel essentials. And I can even put my shoes right down in that part, which my husband loves because he hates his shoes to touch anything else. So they can be stored right in that section there. It fits large laptops right down in this pocket here. So that makes it great for business, travel, and for digital nomads. And that pocket is really padded and protected, keeping your computer safe. It has a built-in charging port, so you could plug right into your USB portable charger and charge your phone while you're on the go. Just like your regular suitcase, it has this clip that can hold all of your things in place. You can keep toiletries and those kind of things right down in here. It's a nice, like, it'll keep everything dry, or maybe some dirty clothes, that kind of stuff. Lots of pockets on the outside here, little hooks to put things in. This just has so much. My goodness. You could probably put like 2 pair of shoes in here. There, I've put my shoes in that compartment. Has some little ventilation there too. Pack some essentials, my toothbrush. There's about 15 to 20 articles of clothing in this compression bag. I do use compression bags when I pack. I could put some sandals in that too. There it is, all packed up. Computer can go right in the back. That's how it is. And then I can snap it, put a water bottle here, and carry it by the handle here, which I think is great because you might not always want to be carrying it through on your back. I do love that. It does come with a strap, so you can carry it over your shoulder also, so that's really convenient. Very versatile, lots of pockets, padded back, because sometimes you do need to grab it off of a carousel because you've like gate checked it or something. Another big pocket here, clip like for your keys, so you can store your keys. That pops right off. This really has everything you're going to need for travel. I really do like this. Handle at the top. They thought of everything in this bag. Check it out for yourself. This is going to be traveling with me a lot.